In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an issue in Jira software. Navigating through Jira can sometimes be a bit daunting, especially if you're looking to remove unnecessary or outdated issues from your project. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your Jira projects with ease and confidence. First, let's begin by locating the issue you want to delete. You will need to be within your project or board where the issue is housed. It's important to have the right permissions, as deleting an issue is a critical action. Make sure you've identified the exact issue you wish to remove to avoid any accidental deletions. Once you've spotted the issue, click on it to open its details view. This view provides an overview of all the pertinent data, like the description, comments, attachments, and activity, so you can verify that this is indeed the issue you aim to delete. In the details view, directing your attention to the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Actions button. It's represented by 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu containing various actions you can perform on the issue. Within this drop-down, you'll find the Delete option. Select this option if you're certain about removing the issue. Keep in mind that deleting an issue is irreversible, so double check if this is what you want to do. It's often useful to communicate with your team before proceeding, especially if the issue involves multiple collaborators. When you click on Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is Jira's way of ensuring that you're absolutely sure about your decision. The system prompts you to confirm to prevent any accidental data loss. If you're certain that deleting the issue is the right course of action, go ahead and click Delete once more on the confirmation window. This will permanently remove the issue from your project. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an issue in Jira. Remember, managing issues efficiently helps keep your project organized and your team focused on what's important. Deleting unnecessary issues can simplify workflows and enhance productivity. Be sure to check back regularly for more tips and guides to master Jira and other software tools. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.